Kita tengok pemimpin-pemimpin dunia banyak bagi lip service je, tak buat apa-apa pun, sedangkan mereka boleh buat more than that. So rakyat, orang biasa macam kita ni sebenarnya lagi ramai number kita daripada pemimpin dunia, daripada kapitalis-kapitalis yang buat keuntungan dengan like unaliving orang DG. So sepatutnya kita ni lebih banyak kuasa lah sebab kita lagi ramai kan. So that's how like we are calling everyone where we are the one with the biggest number compared to leaders, compared to capitalists. So we are doing this. We are showing like we are going to put our money where it should go, and we do not want to put our money, kita tak nak buat suntik, kita nak bagi korang untung kalau korang terus menerus sponsor Gino dekat G. So basically that's the rough ideas. Yeah.
Puan Farwina ada apa-apa pesanan terakhir lah untuk masyarakat Malaysia yang sedang tengok ni? Boleh?
Okay, so basically first and foremost, sebab semua orang dalam Freedom Flotilla ni, as we know, kita nak semua attention go to you guys so that kita tahu you guys are safe, like being watched. So follow you guys, make sure like share a lot about your guys update. And secondly, kita yang ada kat rumah tanah air kita ni being protected by our law, by our country. Negara kita memang support P, and it should be easy for us to do more for P. So pergi ke jalanan, buat protes, do boycott. It's such an easy thing. You just spend your money wisely. So jangan fikir kita tak ada apa-apa kuasa. We actually have all the power in the world untuk hentikan kekejaman DG ni dan juga untuk pastikan mereka dapat kebebasan. So that's that. You have the power. Please use your power wisely. Don't allow all these big people allow you to think that you don't have any power. So yeah. All the best guys. My doa with you.
Ya, cakap hi sikit Kak Ji.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Kalau Kak Ji masuk ya, dia punya like tu terus mencanak-canak naik.
Yang ni masuk. Aduh, minta maaf lah orang tua. Ni, dia saya tak boleh buat live TikTok saya. Macam mana ya?
Are you being restricted? Can we talk about that
Tak dengar.
dekat other channel?